Okay, so today I will be showing you how to make good old-fashioned pancakes from scratch and in 20 minutes. You're going to need some all-purpose flour. We're going to need some baking powder. We need some salt. I have sugar. We have milk, eggs. We're going to need some melted butter. And I always add in my own flavoring, like vanilla, rum, cinnamon, nutmeg. It just depends on what you have a taste for. What this does, it eliminates the need for a lot of syrup. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the flour. Then I'm going to mix in the baking powder. We're now going to mix in our salt. By the way, the amounts of the ingredients will be listed below in the description box. Now I'm adding in the sugar. Okay, so at this point I want to kind of whisk in everything together, all the dry ingredients. Okay, so here I have my egg. I'm going to whip that together. And I'm also going to add in my butter. And give it a good whisk. Just in case all of the butter isn't completely melted. I'm going to whisk that pretty good. So this is my egg and butter mixture. I want to put the egg mixture right in the center. Mix this up. Ooh, don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add the milk. And we're going to mix this up really well. Okay, so if you can see, I mixed this up very well. And now I'm going to add a little vanilla flavor. Okay, so I use something to add the batter. Makes it a little easier for me. Less messy. Don't want them to be too thick, but you don't want them to be too thin either. Do not turn your pancakes too soon. You need it to look like this, where you can see the actual bubbles. You can tell that it's done on the other side. And then I'm going to quickly put that like that. Give it a little shake and look at that. Perfect color. Nice and colorful. On one side they're done. They're not too dark. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions on how to make any Creole occasion dishes, please let me know in the comment section. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe.